Welcome to Dr. S.N.S. Rajashmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from S.N.S. family. This is Dr. J. Vijay Lakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Application. In this video, we are going to see about Digital India. So, the Digital India is nothing but the power of empower. So making a transforming the India into the digital India, and it is a digital India is a program to transfer India into the digital empowered society and knowledge economy. Digital India is the transformation in nature, and the world ensures that government services are available to citizens electronically. It could be bring you public and accountability through the mandated delivery of the government services electronically. So, like unique ID and passwords based on the authentication standards based on the incorporations. The Digital India program was launched on 1st July 2015 to enable the digital delivery of services to citizens. Based on the success of the program, the Union Cabinet during August 23 approved a exemption like a Digital India program that totally outlets the 14,903 crores. So, what is the vision of this? The vision is nothing but digital transformation as a utility of every citizen, government and services on demanded, digital empowerment of citizen. Digital infrastructures as every citizen must utilize. So availability of the high speed of internet as a core utility for delivery services to citizens, and easy access to common service centers. Next, safe and secure cyberspace, government and services on demand. So, digital empowerment of citizens, universal digital literacy, all digital resources universally accessible, all government documents, certificates to be available on a one cloud. All government documents like should be available in one cloud. Availability of the digital resources, services in India. So, collaborative digital platforms for the participative programs, portability of the all entitlement for the individuals through the cloud, scope of the digital India. So and now we understood what is the digital India. Now we'll see the scope to prepare India for the knowledge future on being a transformative, that it is a realized Indian talent, that is IT, information technology, is equal to India tomorrow. That's short formulate as says as IT plus IT is equal to IT. Indian India talent plus information technology is equal to India tomorrow. So making the technology central to enabling the change. On being on a programs overcoming the many departments, the programs waves together the large number of ideas and thought in a single comprehensive vision, so that each of them see as a part of the large goal. Each individual element stands on its own, but it is also a part of the large picture. So, the Digital India program will pull together the many existing schemes which could be restructured and reinforced and refocused on implementing in the technology. The common branding of this program as Digital India highlighted the transformative impacts. So there are different pillars in the Digital India. In that we'll see some of the few pillars. It's a universally access mobile connectivity and public internet access program, e-government. Next is informative for all, electronic manufacturings, IT for jobs, easy waves for the programs. So we can outcome with the expected Digital India schemes in the future with the more and more informative, and where tomorrow we are going to see the big transformation of India with the digital platform. So this the route, this platform brings the India to the lot of changes in the all the field in agriculture, education, service, industries, in the all the area. It is going to bring a the huge change in the future. Thank you.